tell you about making money online, but they won't tell you these 3 things. But on this video, I'm going to explain to you these 3 vital keys. But before I continue, my name is Joaquin. So what I do on this channel is that I show you different ways which you can make money online. And in exchange of the value you'll be getting in this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on post notification. So whenever I upload valuable content like this, you'll be notified by YouTube. Now, here is the thing. Listen attentively. I'm going to talk to you as a brother, as a cousin, as a mentor, as a friend. Alright? So the 3 things you'll be needing is belief system, mindset, and mentorship. Okay, let me explain how this works. Belief system, in the sense that whatever you want to venture into, if you don't have that belief that this thing is going to work out for you, then it's not going to work out for you. There are many people on this online space that are making a lot of money. There are some that have tried and they failed. Some have tried and failed and still keep on trying, and finally they came out with good results. What am I saying in essence? Now, to start up anything in life, if you don't have that belief that this thing is going to work out, you don't have that belief in yourself that you can make this happen. See other people making this and they are having success in it, you also can make it. That moves us to number 2, which is your mindset. Your mindset should be in line with what you want to achieve. Mindset and belief system works together. Once you have that belief that you can do this thing, it actually restructures your mindset, and your mindset works with your belief system. Once these 2 things are in place, bet me you're going to achieve good results in any business you want to venture into. If it's online, if it's physical product, if it's anything at all, since you have this mindset and belief system, you're going to have a great success. Now that leads us to the last one, which is mentorship. Why mentorship? Mentorship in the sense that you need someone to guide you, put you through, show you the step-by-step guide you need to know. So there is no how you have all these key points and you still have a mentor and you will fail on the online space. So if you're interested in joining my WhatsApp and Telegram channel, please use the link below the description of this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Keep winning.